Hey there, website creators! Welcome back to our challenge. Today, if you are ready to clean up your website's design, you are in the right place because we have got you covered. We have a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to delete a strip in Wix. But before we dive into today's video, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest content. And we love the amazing community we've built here on, and your comments and feedbacks are always appreciated, so keep with those comments coming. Before we delete a strip in Wix, you might want to go to the website or web browser of your choice. Sorry, I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is compatible to any known type of browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. You might want to sign up, create a new account. Once you've successfully created one, you might want to go and log in with your credentials. All right. So when you are in the front of your dashboard, your dashboard should look like this one. If you don't know how to go to the website, oh no, Wix website editor, you might want to go into my sites and click to go to my sites, click the sites that you wanted to edit, like say for example this one, click on edit site, or this one right here, see, it load up. Okay, so what is strip? Strip is basically the information that you can see on your interface on the back end of your Wix website editor. So they show you something like this one. These are the strips, basically, right? Okay. So when you hover and you see like a grid lines here, the dotted lines, these are the strips. Okay. It's simple. But before I tell you how to delete your strip, I just wanted you to know that deleting a strip is very helpful in a lot of reasons, because number one, you may have duplicate or redundant content in your website, and deleting a strip can help eliminate unnecessary information. Let's say large or complex strips can basically slow down your website's loading speed. So removing such strips can improve your site's performance. And also, as your website and business evolves, you might want to refine its design and layout. Deleting strips can help streamline the appearance of your pages. And you might be reorganizing your website's content or restructuring pages, and removing a strip may be part of that process. So when you see the dotted lines right here, that's a strip. So all you gotta do is right click. Okay, for example, this one. See, you have the settings here. You might wanna delete, just like here. You can just right click and click delete. That's it. That's how you delete a strip. Okay, it's very easy. But more importantly, removing less important or distracting content can help direct your visitors' attention to the most critical information or calls to action. So, a clutter free and well organized website provides a better user experience, and deleting unnecessary strips like this one, guys, can contribute to your goal. And you may need to optimize your websites for mobile devices, and removing them that don't display well on smaller screens can be necessary. Deleting strip can help achieve a cleaner and more visually appealing layout, making your website more engaging and user friendly. Remember, deleting unnecessary strip can reduce the time and effort required for ongoing maintenance and updates. And if you're conducting, let's say, a testing to optimize your website's performance, you might need to delete or hide certain strips to compare different designs or content arrangements. And Wix website is a practical way to improve its content by deleting it so that the design, performance, and user experience can be optimized. And whether you're providing information, promoting products or services, or engaging your audience, you might want to decide if you wanted to delete the strips or not. Okay? And again, you just have to make a careful consideration. All right? You may need to optimize all of this because I believe that deleting strip can help achieve a cleaner or more visually looking layout. You, I wanted I believe a clutter-free, well-organized website provides a better user experience. That's what I firmly believe. And with that being said, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you find it informative and at least entertaining. If you find that helpful, you might want to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.